know that the flight from Calcutta will go to Bangkok. Why you like it?
वो बात गलत है। देखो मेरे साथ 12 बंदे हैं।
We have no intention to hold
हमारा
the
सबका
flight.
पैकेज है, ठीक है। आप मुझे पहचानते हो, मैं आपको पहचान गया, रेगुलर है, नो डाउट। लेकिन
I want the name of the person.
आप तो रोज जाते हो,
Your
हमारा क्या
manager,
कसूर है?
whatever
नहीं
over
वो ठीक
there.
है।
Tell me the name. Like you just conspiracy lying to the passenger.
ये तो
Not
बहुत
that.
से हमारा क्या कसूर है जिन्होंने ऐसा मामला है?
Never boarding the flight.
50,000 फ्लाइट लेके जा सकते हैं।
To delay the flight.
Yeah.
कमरे बुकिंग है, एक दिन खराब हो
It
गया।
was 11:30 at that time. 10:55, your flight left.
Not that.
मैम उन्होंने देखो रजनी अनु मैम एक
Why were you lying?
इट्स ओके।
Everybody has commitment. We are not like you're just lying here, not from this country.
Focus on the road over there.
मैं आपकी तरफ आऊँ।
Not good.
Madam, I don't know. They have committed you. They have said something wrong. I have
No.
told
What
on their
you are the
behalf.
company.
No,
What do you mean by they? They is not somebody else. That they is who is paying your salary.
No.
We understand, but
You are the
No.
company. You are not
But it's
alienated.
from beginning you have no intention to hold that flight. Why you lie to us?
मैम इन सबको गुस्सा इसी बात का है।
nothing that we never
How?
had an intention of
Then
holding
why
the
not
flight.
tell us that there's an option? Okay, that flight is gone for sure. Why you not telling us truth? Why?
You have a TG aircraft right now outside, and you are saying that it is not possible. And I know for sure that there are seats available.
Sir, the TG flight is available, but it's departing at 10:30 and the
Period.
flight,
Whatever
TG
it
flight
is,
is available.
we will go.
Period. TG flight is available. What are you doing to get us onto that flight?
But
There's
listen,
no
sir,
seats, sir.
there's
We
no
already
seats
tried.
available.
We already tried.
One TG flight departs for Bangkok from Calcutta to Bangkok. There are 3 flights which departs. One is Air India, the flight departs.
You knew
Then-
all this. You knew all this.
You knew all this. Then
Before
why
you
put
told us to
through
board
this?
that flight. You are very knowledgeable. And suddenly you have a lapse.
Yeah.
Suddenly you do not know anything. You know all this. And still you try to make it
get back on
You
it.
came on the same flight. You were aware about it.
Yeah, I've
Why
been
don't you
asking
respond?
all the flight attendants. They say, no, okay, ground staff will help you. Actually, all this information, if would have been other international flight, they would have told customer proper. They will have people to stand right there to help you even. Not like this. Not just try to get away, just from point to point. Not done.
Ma'am, we are not
I
trying to
want
be
the manager name of that counter, whoever it is right there.
हर नेम इज
Not done.
रजनी। सर मेरी मत करना प्लीज।
No,
Not trying to run away from
no, you just try to get us there.
You are good man. You have your own commitment. Let us go through our If you understand, let us do our commitment. Let's go. Let's get on to our business. We don't know.